friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the E-flat major cadence. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And always feel free to share my videos with your friends and family. Okay, so for the E-flat cadence, remember a major cadence is always based on the first note, the fourth note, and the fifth note of a scale. And in this particular key of E-flat major, our 1 chord is going to be E-flat major, our 4 chord is A-flat major, and our 5/7, our dominant 7 chord, is B-flat 7. So let's take a look at those chords in the right hand first. So the right hand, E-flat major, is going to be played. With the right hand, we're going to be playing E-flat, G, and B-flat with our 1, 3, and 5. Our A-flat major chord is going to be played E-flat, A-flat, C with our 1, 3, and 5. And our B-flat 7 is going to be played D, A-flat, B-flat with our 1, 4, and 5. All right, now we're going to take those 3 chords and put them in the order of the full authentic cadence, which is going to be 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 5/7, back to 1. This is what it looks like. E-flat major, A-flat major, E-flat major, B-flat 7, end on E-flat major. All right, let's check out the left hand. Left hand's playing the same chords. I'll just go over the fingering because that is a little different. So E-flat major is going to be played with our 5, 3, and 1. Our A-flat major is going to be played with our left hand 5, 2, 1. And our B-flat 7 is going to be played with our 5, 2, and 1. All right, so let's take a look at those 3 chords and our full authentic cadence pattern with the left hand. E-flat major, A-flat major, E-flat major, B-flat 7, back to E-flat major. All right, only thing left to do is put them together. Here we go, hands together on the E-flat major full authentic cadence. Looks like this. E-flat major, A-flat major, E-flat major, B-flat 7, E-flat major. There you go. That's how you play the E-flat major full authentic cadence. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, and share my video with your friends and family, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.